Hi friends. Basically, so many data science tutorial says that Anaconda is using for Anaconda Python distribution using only for data science purposes. But actually, that is not right. Most widely, it is using for data science purposes, but it can use for general purpose Python applications like web development and so many other things. This is basically a Python distribution, so a well-renowned django framework can be installed in it, and we can create virtual environments in it and run it. First, open a directory. Open a terminal window there. My location is Sukesh Python in home directory. This tutorial assumes that you have installed Anaconda distribution in your machine. If you are not installed Anaconda, please refer to my previous tutorial in YouTube. Open youtube.com. In the channel Sukesh BR, in the videos section, you can see Anaconda installation tutorial. You see the URL v equal to hfih, something like that. You can watch that tutorial. Okay, in my machine Anaconda is installed, so I am resuming the other steps. We need to run a lot of commands to configure it, so I have typed it in a text editor. First one is conda create minus n my-env. It is for create a virtual environment for our project. Here the my-env is the my_env is the virtual environment name. I have copied it. Then open the terminal window and paste it and press enter. It will take some time to complete. Oh, it is completed. They are trying to. Now we can see the list of active envs in the system by conda info --envs. Run the command in terminal. Here have 3 envs: my-env, my first project, root. You must look at the path of my-env. It is home Sukesh Anaconda 3 envs my-env, that is in home directory Anaconda 3 directory. In envs folder our env is created. Now we need to activate it just like in pip virtual env. Source activate my_env is the command where my_env is the name of our virtual environment. In the terminal window you can see my-env come in the bracket. That means we are in that environment now. Now we need to install django by conda install minus the anaconda django, just like pip install django in pip. Conda is the package manager for Anaconda, just like pip for Python. Conda install -c anaconda django will take some time to complete. We will wait for that. This tutorial recommends that you have an active internet connection. Oh, it is completed. Now we need to create a django project. By django admin start project my site. Copy the command where my site is the name of the project to be created. I have run it. Oh, that is created. Fantastic. Everything went gone good or fantastic. Now we need to cd to that my site folder by cd my site. Now run python manage by run server to activate the server to run the development server. Python manage by run server. Oh, that is our server is running now. Copy the link and paste it in a browser. Yeah, this is a django welcome page. That is our django installation and project creation worked successfully. More videos on data science and django coming in next videos. So please subscribe to this channel.